Hi there, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. So today it's a quick video, but I needed to share that new creation. I've been watching Girlontheridge video yesterday or 2 days ago, and one of her last creation, I'll put the link below for a video, but one of her last creation was that kind of long, tiny journal, and it totally inspired me, and I created my own. So I took an envelope, and as you can see, I created a fold because the envelope was too long, so it created a pocket at the bottom of the journal, the cover. And with the flap of the envelope, I created a pocket. So like you see, I just closed. So it's totally like, I love it so much. I need to do more and probably add some on my Etsy shop when they'll be done, but I really had a lot of fun creating that one, and it's totally so lovely. I love the size, the squishiness of the journal. I love all the fabric, the layers and everything, and it's a cutie. So just doing a quick flip through so you can see, because I just feel like I took pictures of it, but it was really not as great as seeing it live. So I thought, okay, I have no choice. I need to create a video for you to see. So eventually, I think I want to create more, and I would likely create a tutorial to do some if there's some interest. Just let me know in the comments below if it's something that you'd like to see me doing live as a tutorial, and I will gladly do it. This is the pocket at the back of the journal, so you can see it's the other side of the envelope that I just had to recut a little bit the flap to close the envelope, and it created a nice pocket. So I really love it, as you can see in my expression. And you have that wallpaper, those flowers there on the cover. This is my vintage wallpaper. I have some listed in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.